And we're back with another Mortgage Monday fun day. Hope you guys are enjoying this cooler weather as much as I am. As you can see, I've been outside, but wanted to come and say, hey, it's been kind of crazy. I had a last December trip, as well as back to school. So I feel like my routine is finally back. And what a better way to come back than when rates are still continuing to climb. So we'll start out with the market update. Today's 30-year fixed rate mortgage estimate on some basic info is about a 7.61%. And we can really probably buy that down to about a 7.25 by paying 1 point. Obviously, if you've got some buyers that are interested, they're needing some figures, get them over my way and I can get them some specific information and figures that are in line with where they're at right now. As far as last week, it was definitely a doozy. We saw mortgage rates hit their highest point in 23 years. So since the year 2000, aka back in the Clinton days. So it's been a crazy ride, and we're all kind of waiting to see if we've topped out or when we've topped out and hit that high point. So definitely stay tuned. A lot of this is going to be dependent on inflation, economy, and Fed and policy. So definitely continuing to be those driving factors as always. So I've got something for you. This is going to be for all my realtors who work with investors or who want to work with investors. We've got the DSCR loans. You've probably heard about them, but that's the debt service coverage ratio loans. We've got options that allow up to 20 finance properties in a borrower's name, and this is only using monthly rental income to qualify versus using that borrower's income. And we've got some options that go as low as a 620. So definitely don't rule anyone out. If you think you've got someone who may qualify for this, or maybe even interested in seeing how to get to that point, send them my way. I'm happy to take a look at it. With options up to $2 million, this is our chance and our opportunity to start helping our buyers grow and scale their portfolios together. So that's my update, my little 2 cents on something we can take a look at together. Be on the lookout for a video I want to put out that's going to really explain to a buyer if they can qualify right now and buy at a higher rate, how much money they're going to save when they actually are already in the home and refinancing when rates go down. So this is going to give them some insight as to how much interest saved, what they're going to be looking at if they go ahead and buy today in the 7s and then refinance in the 6s or whatever, versus if they were to just wait and buy. I think it'll be a good video, something to put a visual with what everybody's been hearing, but definitely stay tuned because that is going to be coming out soon. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in September.